In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Wix website not showing up on Google. If you've been struggling to find your site on search engines, don't worry. We've all been there, and today we'll walk through the necessary steps to enhance your digital presence. First, let's head over to the Wix dashboard by visiting the Setup page on their website. This is your control panel, where you'll manage all the vital components of your site. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is where you can find many options related to your site management and what helps it get seen on Google. After selecting Settings, navigate to the SEO Settings tab. SEO or search engine optimization is crucial for making sure your site is indexed correctly by Google. Within SEO settings, search for the option that says Let Search Engines Index Your Site. Make sure this setting is switched on, as it's essential for Google to be able to locate and list your website in its search results. Once that's done, find your way back by clicking on Home in the menu. Now, from the Home menu, locate and click on Marketing. This is the section where you'll boost your site's outreach, making it more attractive for search engine algorithms. In the Marketing section, you'll find what Wix calls the Marketing Essentials. Clicking on this will guide you through a checklist that ensures your site meets key marketing standards. Follow it through now or revisit regularly for improvements. Within these essentials, select the SEO Setup checklist. The checklist will walk you through steps to get your site found on Google. Start your SEO journey right there. You'll be asked about the business or brand name you wish to get noticed. Enter your business name as you'd want it to appear online. After entering your name, click Next. These simple clicks guide Google to crawl and index the right information. It's fundamental to distribute the right data. When the prompt asks where your business serves its customers, choose the correct option that best describes your business model. Whether it's servicing from a physical location or reaching a regional area, it's up to your setup on how to proceed. Once this is in place, enter your business address to confirm your location accurately within Google's records. Continue by clicking Next again, and you'll land on the Keyword Input screen. This is where you punch in all the critical words associated with your business. Think about what potential customers might type into Google to find you. Once that's inputted, these keywords become signal boosters for search engines to rank and index your site effectively. Make sure to complete every step on this checklist. Lastly, click on Step 2, which addresses optimizing site pages further for search engines. This part of the process helps focus Google's algorithms on your main content, driving home your page's relevance. As these settings take form, it's essential to double-check that every component is done thoroughly, boosting your visibility. So, there you have it. Following these structured tasks, your Wix website should now be poised for better visibility on Google, ensuring more visitors find their way to you. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.